Hello, this is Sunny Scout Jr. here, and I'm going to help you to do your your floor. If you're doing a new floor, if you don't want your floor, you can just change it. Okay, this is the video of me and my dad doing my floor. Look, this is already we did all this in one day, but I think three row was added today. Okay, so let's build some wood. Let's build the floor. Okay. You need wood.
You can maybe put the camera a little further away.
Yeah.
So then you could see the whole thing. Here.
Thank you, Dad.
What about here? That's not bad there.
Yeah, my floor is great, right? This can we have this?
Oh yeah. Sure.
Oh no,
But I'm gonna need to cut that.
Yeah. Go cut it.
Yeah, just hang on.
Yeah, we need this. That what it is doing.